There was someone in your church community who became a real friend, and then their family moved across the country and you lost track of them. Church friendships have a particular warmth that's hard to replace, and they're worth tracking down. I'm with people Locator skiptracing.com, and faith community connections are some of our most common reunion searches. Here's how to find a church friend. Start with your former church. Even if your friend's family transferred letters or membership somewhere else, the original church often kept forwarding information. The pastor, deacon, or church secretary is your first call, and church records are usually kept far longer than you'd expect. Many denominations maintain national directories. Catholic dioceses, Methodist conferences, Presbyterian presbyteries, and Mormon ward records all track member movements between congregations. Your former church can usually tell you which national or regional body to contact. If the family moved for a specific reason, a job transfer, a military assignment, a college, that context narrows the search. A father who moved for an aerospace job is searchable through aerospace industry directories. A military move shows up in deployment and assignment records. Facebook has dedicated groups for nearly every denomination, region, and even specific churches. Search for groups related to your former church and post a respectful inquiry about whether anyone stayed in touch with the family. Christian school directories, denominational youth program alumni networks, and even faith-based dating sites have surfaced surprising reunions for people of similar faith. When all of those community channels come up empty, sometimes a family relocates and intentionally severs ties or simply drifts away from organized religion, a professional skip trace can find them through licensed databases. For professional people search services, visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. 20 years of helping people reconnect with the friends who walked their faith with them.